This video describes the value the quality infrastructure offers to the Prosperity for All project, and more specifically, the developer space. It summarizes some of the work that has been completed so far and the road ahead. The quality infrastructure aims to help improve the quality, reliability, and sustainability of accessible software by providing developers with tools and resources that will make the practice of continuous integration, or CI, accessible to them using minimal effort. Quality processes ordinarily involve considerable time, skill, and cost investment to reliably orchestrate processes using a variety of third-party dependencies. These dependencies can include build tools, application stacks, virtual machines, and other third-party software. The Prosperity for All QI provides access to all of these resources in an open, well-tested, and accessible way. In addition to build and test automation, the QI provides quality metrics in the form of dashboard panels that can be easily integrated into websites. These aim to provide an idea of how often a project's repository sees changes, how many developers submit these changes, whether these changes result in successful builds and test runs, or whether the project uses automation for these processes at all. Without access to these quality metrics, DSpace visitors would be missing valuable context of how components could possibly benefit their projects. Since the last P4A review, the quality infrastructure has been refactored to be significantly more stable. A key set of backend dependencies based on third-party Jenkins plugins were found to be poorly maintained and buggy when provisioning many large virtual machines. We replaced these components with GitLab CI, which is well maintained by a large active community and offers compelling features such as CI pipelines, quality badges, and secure CI build servers. The process of setting up a project repository for use with the quality infrastructure was made substantially easier. A new declarative manifest file format was introduced, allowing developers to describe the steps required to build and test their projects within the QI. This new manifest format also hides away many of the distracting implementation-specific details that were visible in the previous version of the quality infrastructure file format. The QI initially provided support only for testing applications in Linux virtual machines. Now it also supports Windows 10. Developers can automate the installation of build dependencies using Chocolatey packages, test any kind of web or desktop application, or just have access to a stable development environment supported by the QI. This support includes security updates in every new VM version and also significant workarounds for Windows architectural limitations. One significant feature lets developers have desktop access for processes triggered remotely using the Do It software. This level of Windows VM automation and development support is unique to the QI and even missing from test VMs provided by Microsoft. Automated browser and more specifically automated accessibility tests can now be conducted in QI VMs. Developers can use either the QI Fedora or Windows VMs to automate these tests using Selenium WebDriver and the Axe accessibility engine. This work can be hosted using GitLab CI so that developers can receive accessibility test feedback as project repositories receive contributions. Finally, a new metrics graph view was implemented for the quality infrastructure's dashboard that displays CI results. Developers can visually navigate the CI history of DSpace featured components to get a better understanding of how reliable they could be as dependencies in their own projects. This year, we will continue to refine and simplify existing QI features to ensure DSpace can provide quality assurances and automation conveniences to its users. New features that will be targeted this year will include additional dashboard graphs and seamless GitLab CI integration.